Okay, so the trickiest sort of questions we're going to look at today are going to be worded problems that have lots of things going on in them. These are really, really common. They come up in foundation and higher GCSE, so it's a really, really important skill to practice now. So what do we know? Cam is Y years old. So we don't know how old Cam is. She is an age we don't know, so because we don't know the number, we can use a letter instead. Tim is 4 years older than Cam. Sean is 3 times as old as Cam. And the sum of their ages is 49. How old are they each? So let's write down what we know using algebra. So Cam is Y years old. So if I write Cam here, her age or his age is Y. Now Tim is 4 years older than Cam. So if he's 4 years older, what sum would we do? We would do Cam's age plus 4. So Tim is Cam's age, which is Y, plus 4 because he's 4 years older. If you knew that, for example, Cam was 15 and Tim was 4 years older, you do 15 plus 4. But we don't know Cam's age, we just know that it's Y, so we're going to do Y plus 4. And then we have Sean. Sean is 3 times as old as Cam. So to find Sean's age, if we know Cam's age, we would times it by 3. So how would we write that? We write that as 3Y. So we've got Cam, who's Y years old. Tim's age is Y plus 4 because he's 4 years older. And Sean's age is 3Y because he's 3 times as old. Now the next bit of information we're told is that the sum of their ages is 49. So the sum, well, for sum we have to add them together. So Y, which is Cam's age, plus Tim's age, which is Y plus 4, plus Sean's age, which is 3Y, is equal to 49. Now, before we can start solving this, we've got to tidy up a little bit. What do we got? We've got a Y, and 3Y. So altogether that makes 1, 2, 5Y plus 4 equals 49. Now we've got an equation we can solve. Subtract 4, we get 5y equals 45. Divide by 5, y equals 9. So we haven't finished the question yet. It says how old are they each? They want to know everybody's age. So if Cam is Y years old, Cam is just going to be 9 years old. Tim is Y plus 4. So we know that Y is 9. So then Y plus 4 is going to be 9 plus 4, which is 13. And finally, Sean is 3 lots of Y, 3 times Y. 3 times 9 is 27. So there are 3 ages, and 9, 13 and 27. Have a go at this, pause the video, have a go at this question, and then I'll go through it when you come back. So I hope you had a chance to have a go at the question. It's similar sort of thing to the ages we've got above, but this time it's dealing with money. So Toby has N pounds. Lawrence has double the amount of money Toby has, and Tyler has £10 less than Toby. Altogether they have £190. How much do they each have? So the process is going to be the same. We're going to look at Toby, Lawrence and Tyler, and work out an expression for how much money they each have. So Toby, we're told, has got N pounds. Lawrence has double the amount of money Toby has. So if we were told that Toby had £10 and Lawrence had double, we'd do 10 times 2 to make 20. If we were told that Toby had £50 and Lawrence had double, we would do 50 times 2, which is 100. But we don't know how much Toby has, we just know he's got N. So we're going to do N times 2, which is 2N. Tyler has £10 less than Toby. So if Toby has N pounds, £10 less, what sum do we have to do? If it's £10 less, we take away. So we can say that Tyler has N minus £10. Final bit of information, altogether they have £190. So altogether, that's a clue to tell us to add. If we add all the money they've got, that will equal to £190. So we're going to do N plus 2N plus N minus 10. Okay, so that's Toby's N Lawrence is 2n, and Tyler's n minus 10, all added together equals 190. First step, neaten it up. We've got n, 2n plus n. That's 1, 2, 3, 4n altogether. Minus 10 equals 190. Starting to solve it, start by adding 10 to each side to get rid of this here. And we get 4n equals 200. Then divide by 4, n equals 50. Now the question wants to know how much they each have. So if n is 50, Toby just has n pounds, so Toby is going to have 50 pounds. Lawrence has got 2n, so 2 lots of 50 makes 100 pounds. And Tyler has n minus 10, 50 minus 10 is 40.